This is a 2005 Ford Taurus, and this is the Serpentine Belt. I'm going to be replacing it, and I'll show you a trick that's been shown on the internet many times. You take a wrench and you affix it to the 15mm wrench, and I'm going to do this right now and show you how easy it is to get this thing off. And hopefully I'll be able to show you the wrench. You pull down towards the front of the car on this belt tensioner. As you can see, goes back and forth and releases tension on the belt. Alright. As you can see, how I did that was with a 15mm. Put this end on, and then you have the other wrench inside there so you can create the tension. And you have the other belt that you can take off. There's plenty of diagrams to show you how to replace the belt. If you get a squealing sounds could be from the idler pulley here. They can also come from the belt tensioner, which is where you are going to stick that 15mm bolt. And squealing sounds can also come from the water pump, which is definitely not easy to replace, but it can also come from a belt that's old and needs to be replaced. Alright, good luck with that.